Welcome back to class. If you made it here today, you are required to solve for x in this given exponential equation. Now, looking at this, a lot of people get confused, but what are the first things we do? The first thing I'll do here is to express this thing, to bring x one side. So all the x's, I'll bring them to one side, and all the integers, which is 9 and 3, I'll bring them to one side. And how do I do this? The best way to do this is to multiply. Alright, to multiply both sides by I'll multiply this side by 1 over 9. Okay, so I'll multiply this place by 1 over 9, and invariably to cause me to multiply this place by 1 over 9, and that's, I mean, the power. Okay, raising both sides to the power of 1 over 9, which is invariably multiplying, because if you see here, if you have something like a raised to the power m and you are raising it again to the power of 1 over n, you're going to have that this becomes equal to a raised to the power m over n, just like this. So this same thing applies for here. So if this now becomes 3 raised to the power x over 9, and 3 raised to the power x over 9 is now equal to what? 9 will take 9x. Alright? Now, again, we can also do the same thing as raise both sides to the power of 1 over x. So I'll multiply this place by 1 over x, that's the power. Multiply this place by 1 over x, again at the power. You see that x will take x. Hence, you have what? That 3 raised to the power 1 over 9 is equal to x raised to the power 1 over x. Just like this. Okay? Now, what are we going to do here? Because it looks as if you are stuck. The rule, what we are planning to do, since we have x raised to the power 1 over x, we need a number that will look like a raised to the power 1 over a. Alright, so we need a number that will match this thing so that we can now say, because if you have x here, a here, x here, a here, it means that x is equal to a. So we need something like this to happen, and we need to transform this into something like this. So the next thing I now do is to use a knowledge from what we call equivalence fractions. So if I have a over b, and I multiply this thing by 3 over 3, I have 3a over 3b, right? But then also 3 will cancel 3, and I still have a over b. So I'll use this thing here, but I'll use it for this man here. So I have 3 raised to the power 1 over 9. If I multiply it by 3 over 3, I can still equate it to what? X raised to the power 1 over x. Now, can you agree with me that I can factor out 3 from here? So I would have 3 raised to the power 1 over 9, alright, times 1 over 3, all in brackets, multiplying 3 is equal to x raised to the power 1 over x. Just like this. Now, can you agree with me that this 3 can be raised to the power this 3? So that I have 27, alright, because 3 raised to the power 3 is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. And then 1 times 1 is 1. 9 times 3 is also 27. Is equal to x raised to the power 1 over x. Now, can you see we've gotten something where 27 and 27, and we have x and x. Hence, I can now conclude that x is equal to 27. And this is the solution to this particular question. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.